Hey, and this is my second game. I just set it up. It's a Western-based shooter. We'll just wait for it to start. Oh, that's loud. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but there is music on it. Spaghetti Western. That's the title. Spaghetti has taken over. Beat the boss and save the West. Left mouse to move, space to shoot. Exit works. Start it up again. You play as this little cowboy character. He shoots at the spaghetti sprites. These are small enemies. They don't do much damage. They do 1 damage and then you have to restart. If you die, then you are taken to a lose screen. Final score is shown. Play again. It just restarts the game. Let me just try and get through this bit. Ooh. You keep your score if you die. And as you go through the levels, this is the second level. They're slightly harder monsters. They take a bit more, and here's the final monster. The more you attack him, he leaves, and then you have to get through his minions. And then you win. Final score is always shown. And you helped save the West. Restart buttons work, exit button works. These were just made using a spawner. They explode when they die. Little cowboy hat is their lives. I just want to get to the next level. Oh, I lost. That's my game though, basically. There's alarms, there's different paths, quite a bit of different techniques were used. Yep.